Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make red-eye gravy. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time, please do me a favor. Go down to that corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make red-eye gravy. So here's our list of ingredients. We're going to start out with a couple pieces of some country ham, 2 tablespoons of bacon grease. I got 2 tablespoons of flour, 3/4 cups of coffee, black coffee, a 1/4 cup of water, about 1/2 teaspoon of some brown sugar, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Let's head into the kitchen and start cooking. Alright, first thing you want to do is you want to put that bacon grease right in that pan and let it start melting on about medium heat. Then you're just going to add your pieces of ham to this bacon fat and let them brown on both sides a little bit so you get a nice sheen on it. Flip it over on the other side. See it browning up nicely. Now I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. I'm going to remove the ham, put it onto a paper plate or a paper towel line, let some of that grease come off. And we're going to start making this gravy. Oh, that flavor, that smell coming off of there is fantastic. This would be perfect in a cast iron pan. Unfortunately, I don't have a cast iron skillet. So anyway, Teflon, you want to use a wire whip that's not metal so you're not scratching up your pan like this pan is. And then I have turned the heat down. Kind of important to do that when you've got bacon grease because it's got a tendency to spit. So turn it down a little bit. I'm going to add our flour. We're just going to mix this in. Make our roux. Get our coffee in there, turn the heat back up, let that roux cook. We're just going to add our coffee. I just cook it till you get some bubbles in there and that'll start to thicken. And I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of water in there. You may need some adjusting for depending on how you want your consistency to be on the gravy. Thick or thin, sauce or gravy consistency. Then we're going to put our cayenne and our brown sugar. That's the last of it. We're just going to blend this into it. A little salt and pepper. There it is. I'm going to plate up that ham with some of this gravy on it. We're going to take some really groovy pictures of it for social media, lay those pictures into the timeline with some really groovy music, and then we're going to come back and give this a taste. Enjoy the music and enjoy the pictures. saw in those pictures. I'm going to get the gravy on the ham here and give you a close-up of that. Hopefully that focuses on there. Now I'm going to give it a taste. Right away, I'm getting that bacon grease and that coffee. Smoky and salty. That gravy's good. Can't say I've had anything like it before because I haven't. I've seen recipes for this pretty much my whole culinary life, but I've never made this. It's very good. That's a really, really good combination of flavor there. Smokiness from that ham, saltiness of that bacon grease, and that coffee's got a little bit of, I love coffee, so this is very different, very interesting. Yeah, very good. Another bite. Yeah, if you're not from the South and you've never had this before, you're probably freaked out by the fact that it's got coffee in it and bacon grease and all this other kinds of ingredients in there, but this is fantastic. You're probably asking yourself, if you're from the South and watching this, I got a lot of subscribers that are from the South. Won't name any by name, but you know who you are. If I'm making this wrong, let me know in the comment section. If I'm making it right, let me know in the comment section. This is really good. Regardless if it's done right or wrong, this is a really good recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then share this video with everybody that you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.